This morning I'm making myself an omelet. So I'm cutting up 4 pieces of bacon. I'm just slicing them into pieces, so I'm going to fry them. My bacon is coming along, so I'm going to put it on the paper towel to drain the grease. So I'm just dabbing it so the grease can come out. Careful not to burn yourself. And I'll put it aside. Wrap the paper towel up in the bacon, turn it upside down so the grease drains on the other side. I'm going to start off by throwing some margarine in the pan, and I have some frozen hash browns with frozen onions. I'm just going to fry this up. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. My hash browns are done. I'm just going to add them to the bowl. I added some oil to my frying pan, not much. Now I'm just frying up my green peppers and onions. Also at this point, if I wanted to, I would add my mushrooms, my tomatoes, my cucumber. But today I don't have none of that, so I have to settle for my onions and peppers. I just added some salt and pepper to taste. I'm beating up eggs with a little bit of cream in them. They are 3 eggs. These 3 eggs are going to make 2 omelets. Okay, I added a drop of oil, spread it around, then I'm going to put my eggs in. I put the egg in 2 cups to even them out. I poured one into the frying pan, and all I got to do is just keep going around to cook the bottom. So I just kind of lifted the egg like this and tipped the frying pan so the juice runs and cooks. And now I can start adding my bacon. Green peppers and onions. And my cheese. Then I'm going to flip one side of it over. And cover for a couple of minutes and it's ready. And now the omelet is done.